Hey friends, if you wish to fix deleted folder keeps reappearing issue in Windows, then please watch this video. So before anything else, simply turn off OneDrive sync. Right click on OneDrive and then pause syncing for let's say 2 hours, just for 2 hours. Why? Because we will use these 2 hours to delete other contents. Now go to the recycle bin and open it and click on empty recycle bin. Delete all the items here unless you want something back. If this helps, well and good. If this doesn't fix the problem, then search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Now check all of the boxes here, including the temporary files. Click on OK and then delete files. Now once this has completed, after this has completed, right click on this and then you can click on resume syncing. Okay. This will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.